You know, Hotman, for now, there's nothing to prove for me about this game. Pirates is the one that has a point to prove. They come from a difficult game this week. Great performance. The first team in Africa to win, to draw, and to lose in the same game. So it's up to Pirates to see what they want to do. If they beat us, good for them. But the point is for Pirates to prove, Hotman. Yeah, last season, football is round, there's nothing to say, Mara. We done what we could, and today we're hoping to do the same again. 1-0. Tina spana ngemuthi, amaqanda don't work Hotman. Rona re spana ka Perifin. Perifin itswang mo transform, re spana ka tsona Hotman.
Namhlanje shaya 3-1. Basikoleta labantu labo. Namhlanje 3-1 sibabulala siceda ku. Amen. I mean inhliziyo yami akapholi wena bafo.
Hayi ngixolile bafo. As long as siyishayile 3. Abomakhelwane bebathi angeke siyishaye 3 siyishayile. Siphinde enye namhlanje kuMagisi. Viva Pangania, viva.
Vicho.
Namhlanje lento lesiyenze last season lethatha i-Black Label Cup so yenza futhi namhlanje abana chance kuthi bakhalile last week narisule bazazokhala ke Hotman lamaye so wina abana chance sifuna isikole esiningi just 1-0 yeah enga yabo vele bazozane enga yabo but not is nento yethu ukuthi sifuna ukuprove point i-Black Label mase protect anti ithi vele siwinile yeah manje si protect siye ngayo ayonke into esiphethe baphethe imithi siyazi that is now imithi yethu strong that is futhile before suke ekhaya.
What disappointment? We are not disappointed. Like, si proud of the boys. Like 3. Saya go extra time. Like same time. Yabona mhlanje. So shaya, it's either siya go extra time or sibasha 3-0. As to what?
Strategy, nothing much. We just apply what we've been doing the whole season. Another thing, last season they focused more on caref. So calling is important. So after heartbreak weekend, we have to come back. So right here, calling knockout.
Brian, namhlanje sifila kahle kakhulu si happy ngalendlela ukuthi like I can't wait for Saturday. I so wish bangasinikeza iSundowns kusasa. iPirates idlale kakhulu. I1 zaka November 2nd. It's too far. I'm waiting for Saturday. This is calling Black Label. We won and I know iPirates aya ku final. So for the fact ukuthi ngiyazi ukuthi thina siluze 2 games ku league. Abantu basirate off but iPirates angeke izithathe league. I'm telling you this season iPirates izothatha league. Kune team ewine 4-0. Last time angeke ngize ngisho. I win 4 games I mean to say. Win 4 games that draw 1. But bayithathile league. Thina siluze 2 games then basirate off but iPirates angeke ithathe league. So Saturday semuva nga 2 games. Saturday sidlala neSundowns. Once I shaya Sundowns Saturday sizoshaya Sundowns ngo 2-1. Brian, iPirates yenza kakhulu. The thing that is special about Pirates, our coaches that comes and goes. They're giving young players a chance. Today, Denson started the game. He showed. He came up. So that is what I'm impressed about Pirates. That thing that is special about Pirates, they're giving young players a chance. So that is why you see Pirates is throwing.
Anyway, bola ki bola, tiski ki tiski, there is a win or lose. Pirates idlalile, kuyayilebuyisa the way idlale enkateni. Limakezi idlalile and idlalile sharp. Anyway, mesizele chance tsengata uri score. Anyway, Pirates winile my brother, there's nothing we can do about it. Mara Machita adlalile. Ameba about the guys. Soltobona collecting weights along my Machita Gobutel Machita, just keep it up. Lose it doesn't mean we're Sarah Shuleako Pilo, Sarah Shuleako Grandung or whatever. We are still going forward. Sashabile League, Sashabile everything. Nali Captain at the Saturday Dalel. Anyway, prepare to defend the air. Calling Black Label, Lurne, Rich, Corona. Anyway, if I there is nothing we can do. Machita Gobon, Reta. Anyway, there's nothing I can say, my brother. Good luck to the Machita Adali, the shop.
Bona re thabile too much. Re nyaka yengwe le yengwe eta mo pele ga rena. A re kgethi next. O bona, re nyaka everything. Ye ra itse ya ye ke ya rena. Bona ba ke bona ba re paisisha last season. Gale re ba nyaka re ba kirei. Ba o ke gale re ba nyaka le bona. Ba tseba, a o sa ntho ba ka re dira yona. Sundowns re ba nyaka mo. Saturday, the 1 November, Renalobon.
Fetu, can I give a round of applause to our fans, the Orlando Pirates fans? Nalaba sebes joinilo, Kaizer Chiefs must join us slowly but surely. Buzz are every game to support us. That is a good thing. I'm happy once and always. You know the story. Once and always for Ipagani. The fans are the 12th men in the field, and the fans are doing great, and the coach is doing great with his players. You know, love at Orlando Stadium is what is making us win these games. We got love from the supporters to the coach to the players.
Going to Saturday game, I'm very sure or mobile in Shaka. Yeah, but then the whole South Africa Shaka. Pirates and 2 years member it's an amazing. So obviously, hello Tata Stadium, Abana the supporters, Corona Bana supporters, hello starter, hello win again.
Mapakani amate, siwinile, sishaile, sonke. Kituruketi kwani ena, I'm a fashion designer, kinati chuali Pirates. So, we win today, and then Saturday, we feel like a calf, mara, we are coming, Lucas. We'll be there, we'll fill up the stadium. Sundowns, we are coming. It's only sharper.